Welcome to this series of videos on machine learning for non-technical people. I am Python Kumar. I practice both AI and web development using Python. Now, before this video, I want to tell you this video series machine learning is explained without any technical term. It contains only theory. I have deliberately skipped some parts to avoid technicalities. The codes of these machine learning theory are available on my GitHub link that is there in the YouTube channel. You will find the GitHub link in the YouTube channel. There in the GitHub you will find codes using NumPy, Python and sklearn. There is no particular ordering for these series of videos. And finally, in the channel community, you do a majority vote. Based on the majority vote, I will come up with next video of this series based on the majority vote in the channel community. Over to next slide. Let me now tell you a small story. Hope you relate to this. When I was in primary school, my teacher actually taught me addition. As a step one of the process, the teacher told me how addition is done, the theory behind the addition. That was step one. Now in step two, my teacher showed me some examples of how addition is done. That is step two, the examples. Step three, I was told to solve some questions on addition. That was step three, that is the questions on addition at the end of the chapter. Finally, at step 4, I was told to take some exams or some evaluation. That is how I learned addition. Hope you relate to this story. Now let's see how machines get to learn. That is in the next slide. Now let's see how machines actually learn. Like humans learn theory, machines do not learn any theory. For them, the step one is learning from examples, and step two is solving some questions themselves. Based on whatever they learned in step one and step two, we subject them to some kind of evaluation. Usually, that is confusion matrix, MSC, MAE, RMSE, RMAE, etc. etc. Now, that is how machines actually learn. Now, there is a small variation to this, but we will study the variation in the next video. For now, you can just remember that machines do not learn theory. Thank you. That is the end of video 1 of machine learning for non-technicals. Now you can see a detailed explanation. You can go to my GitHub link. The GitHub link is there in the YouTube channel about page. Also in the YouTube channel community page, you tell what the next video I should upload. By the in case you do not tell me any change of plan, then next video I would make about supervised learning, unsupervised learning and semi supervised learning. Thank you. Have a great day.